Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to launch NotCoin on Telegram. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is you want to open up X or Twitter, and once you have opened it, you want to click on the bottom for the search, then click at the top on search, and then you want to search for NotCoin and click on the first one. Once you have done that, you see the link notcoin/bottoms t.t.me. You want to click on that basically, and it's going to open up Telegram for you. Now, if you don't have Telegram, just go to your App Store or Google Play Store and just download Telegram from it. Pretty simple. And once you install Telegram, go back to the link, and from here you want to click on open. Then you need to wait for it to open up, and then when you get to this screen, you just want to tap on start, and as you can see, /start. And then what you want to do to actually start the NotCoin, you have to tap on earn and then click on launch. Then you need to wait for a few moments that it opens up, and as you can see, it has opened up. To earn money, you need to go to the active pools if you want to read about it. There are a few different things here, so like they're moving from a clicker game to something more advanced, and NotCoin's new Explorer to earn model allow users to earn NotCoin as they discover Web3 products. So you don't play the game as you used to. You join these pools and you get coins by that. You can invite friends to get coins like that. You can learn about what's new. You can like request your own project, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And if you're still having some issues, let me know what's the problem in comments down below, and I'll do my best to help you out.